Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Mooniloon. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect cup of coffee. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or a beginner, I'm going to share with you all the tips and tricks you need to know to make a delicious cup of coffee every time. So let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right beans. The first step in making the perfect cup of coffee is to choose the right beans. You want to make sure you're using fresh, high-quality beans that are roasted to your liking. I prefer a medium roast, but you can choose whatever roast you like best. Step 2. Grind the beans. Next, you'll need to grind your beans. You want to grind them just before you're ready to brew your coffee to ensure maximum freshness. I prefer a medium grind for my coffee, but again, you can adjust this to your preference. Step 3. Measure the coffee. Now, it's time to measure your coffee. I recommend using 2 tablespoons of coffee for every 6 ounces of water. This will give you a perfect ratio of coffee to water. Step 4. Brew the coffee. Next, you'll need to brew your coffee. There are many methods you can use, such as a French press or a pour-over, but I prefer to use a drip coffee maker. Follow the instructions on your machine and make sure you're using the right temperature water for your coffee. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfect cup of coffee. Add any cream or sugar you like, or enjoy it black. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to make the perfect cup of coffee. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one.